I want to appeal directly to the climate community, the scientists, thought leaders, practitioners, and innovators who have spent their lives building the foundations of our collective climate intelligence, and to everyone puzzled by tech evangelists' claim that AI will solve climate change. For decades, this community has produced extraordinary knowledge, planetary boundaries, donut economics, positive tipping points, drawdown solution pathways, transition frameworks, regenerative models, abatement curves, science-based targets. This community already knows that humanity has the solutions and the instructions to solve climate change. We have more climate knowledge and data than at any point in human history, yet it is fragmented, is not connected, not searchable, not cumulative. We lack the global intelligence layer that binds it all together and makes it actionable for everyone else. Where is our global map of investable climate projects? Where is the network that reveals who is working on what, with which resources, constraints, and projected impact and ROI? Even though we think we mostly know one another's work, we still lose track of insights as soon as we leave meetings, return to our offices and our silos. Climate actors are drowning in data and relationships, yet starved of clarity. This is the why we must have shared planetary intelligence. The opportunity is to connect our scattered knowledge and feed a shared climate intelligence platform. What actions are right fit for people, planet, profit, by location and context? AI will not help us unless we build a shared climate intelligence layer, purpose-built for planetary reasoning, grounded in science, shaped by practitioners, aligned with climate realities. Climate data cannot simply be poured into general-purpose AI expected to produce wisdom. Sustainability is too contextual, too entangled with culture, economics, behavior, incentives, and risk. If AI is to serve in the quest for sustainability, our global community must first harness our knowledge into a shared, semantic, living climate action graph, one that public and private actors can finally use. This is the mission of planetary intelligence: to build the shared AI workspace for climate action, the knowledge infrastructure for decision-making and investing within planetary boundaries, a place where evidence, expertise, and context are connected, where reasoning becomes visible and cumulative, where proven solutions can be matched to needs, where ROI and impact can be modeled across contexts, where lessons learned in one region can accelerate progress everywhere else. Pi Studio is our first tool for this community to begin sharing our knowledge and data. A collaborative reasoning environment that you can teach to understand your individual and organizational context, teach it your theory of change. It enables you to organize your knowledge, network of interdependencies, actors, investable projects, ask complex questions, explore and model scientific and policy evidence, model scenarios, compare strategies, map causal relationships, and contribute to a collective climate knowledge graph. It's not a dashboard or a chatbot, but the beginning of a collaborative planetary reasoning workspace. AI that will combine this community's data and knowledge to guide the broader public and private sectors in their sustainability action decisions. Pi should not, cannot be built or owned by one team or company. This must be a shared resource. We propose that the climate community both build and own the planetary intelligence AI, so it can make all of our collective knowledge connected and actionable at scale. Generative AI gives us a rare chance to make our collective climate knowledge accessible to the world. It's a technology that can understand natural language, nuance, context, connect ideas, evidence, and intent. This is a once-in-a-lifetime imperative. The climate community must lead to develop an AI workspace based on real climate knowledge. This shared intelligence must be built and stewarded by the climate community, not owned by big tech, to become the substrate for global collaboration and coordinated action. Planetary intelligence is an act of optimism. The belief that we can still learn to think together at planetary scale and make better decisions about the future we share. Built by climate actors, owned by climate actors, for climate actors, to harness the knowledge we already have and turn it into the intelligence the world urgently needs.